Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host, Angie Lou, and I'm super excited to share my recipe for fire meat with you, otherwise known as Bulgogi. This is not a traditional recipe, but it's my simplified version that you can make in about 15 minutes, and the kids are going to love it. I'm also going to be adding some broccoli to the mix, so you can actually put it over a bed of rice and have your very own beef bowl, or you can serve it separately as the main dish. Here's what you're going to need. 1 head of broccoli, 1 pound of ground beef, 1½ tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Now that you've seen the ingredients, I'm going to mix the marinade together into this bowl. So you have your soy sauce, your sesame oil, sugar, and garlic. Let's mix that all up together. Okay, and then I'm going to put my 1 pound of ground beef into the marinade. So you want to mix the beef and the marinade together until the beef soaks up all of the marinade. And this you can marinate for about 15 minutes or even overnight, but if you're in a hurry, you can literally just cook it right away. So now, if you want to take a look, my beef and marinade are all mixed together like this. Make sure the pan is super hot before adding the ground beef. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes and try not to break up the beef too much while cooking. So now that your beef has been cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add the broccoli florets. So this broccoli is in pretty large pieces, these florets. So what I'm going to do is bring out my handy dandy scissors. Korean people love cutting food with scissors. And I'm going to cut the broccoli into smaller pieces. So by cutting the broccoli florets in the pan versus chopping them up, I'm going to keep some of the florets more intact. And just stir it, stir fry it a little bit more. I'm going to lower the heat. And then I'm going to cover for just about 3 more minutes so that the broccoli steams with the beef. Now that your broccoli is steamed and ready, let's plate this. So our fire meat is now ready. You can serve it as your main dish with your other side dishes, or you can put it over a bed of rice. I've put about ½ cup of rice here, and I like to always garnish with some toasted sesame seeds. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.